We all make resolutions at this time around the year, right? But I don't, because resolutions have never worked for me. And this year, I finally found something which I'm excited to try, and I'm damn sure it is going to work for me. So, that is what I want to share in this video. Hola amigos, welcome back to my channel. I have no preparations for this video whatsoever because every YouTuber when they come in front of the camera they have a particular theme in their head कि हमने इस चीज़ की बात करनी है या कुछ भी जो भी होता है प्लान थोड़ा बहुत होता है वेगली इफ नॉट एंटायरली. इस वीडियो के बारे में आई हैव जीरो प्लान्स. आई जस्ट जेन्युइनली वांट टू शेयर समथिंग विच आई एम गोइंग टू ट्राई in the next 7 days, because this exercise is going to take around 6 to 7 days. It can be more, it can be less, depending upon you basically. So without any further ado, Alonzi, shall we? So I just moved the light a little bit because घर में लाइटिंग का इशू मुझे अभी भी लगता है, बट आई जस्ट होप दिस डज जस्टिस बिकॉज मैं रैंडमली अपने पजामे में बेड से उठ के आई एम जस्ट लाइक मुझे बहुत ज़ोर से वीडियो आ रही है. लाइक वो फीलिंग होती है ना दैट मुझे वीडियो आ रही है. लाइक व्हेन वी मेक रेजोल्यूशंस वी हैव लाइक मोस्ट ऑफ द रेजोल्यूशंस अराउंड हेल्थ, गेटिंग फिटर, एंड जनवरी में तभी जिम में बहुत ज़्यादा भीड़ होती है और इस पर मीम्स भी बनती है दैट दिसंबर इज़ द लास्ट टाइम ऑफ द ईयर दैट यू कैन वर्क आउट इन द जिम, जो जब वो खाली होता है बिकॉज जनवरी में बहुत लोग आते हैं बिकॉज ऑफ द रेजोल्यूशन थिंग दैट वी ऑल डू. And let me know in the comment section below that do you do this resolution thing, because I have tried. like वो resolution वाली चीज़ last भी नहीं करती because उसके पीछे intention ही नहीं पता होती कि क्यों करना है, क्या करना है. तो मेरे लिए it's like I've given up this practice entirely. I don't know for the last 5-6 years. तो मेरे लिए बस ये target होता है कि I just want to do the hustle that all my dreams require. तो मेरे लिए बस वही एक resolution sort of होता है. But I have figured out that at the end of every year and at the beginning of every year I'm going to do this practice, which is review and plan. Like review your year, and I normally make a review and rewind of every year. Like my year 2019 का किया था, my year 2020 का भी I'll do, but I think अभी that can wait and that will also come very soon. But अभी के लिए I just want to give you like a few questions which I am going to ask myself also. It is like a introspection kind of exercise which will require थोड़ा सा internal strength, and you have to be like ready to introspect because फिजिकल एक्सरसाइज वगैरह हमें पता होता है, अच्छा ठीक है थोड़ा सा ट्रेडमिल पे 10 मिनट भागना है, 2 किलो के डंबल उठाने हैं बट इसमें यू हैव नो आइडिया कि क्या आंसर निकले. फॉर दैट यू हैव टू इंट्रोस्पेक्ट. सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, अभी क्वेश्चन नहीं, वील स्टार्ट विद द रिव्यू. तो थोड़े बहुत क्वेश्चन आई एम गोइंग टू लीव विद दिस वीडियो and I would love if you can just go through those questions and अगर लिख के करोगे that will be better. तो first thing or question I'm going to give you is what are your best or happiest 5 moments of this year? Just list them down. Then going on to the second part, what are the 3 or 5 most proudest moment of this year, like when you really felt कि यार I was not even thinking कि मैं इस चीज़ के लायक भी हूँ या ये चीज़ मैं कर भी सकता हूँ या कर भी सकती हूँ, बट मैंने कर ली. तो mention those things under this question. Honestly even I haven't done this exercise yet, but मेरा अब start हो चुका है. तो अभी बस start होने में ही I just know कि ये बहुत ज़्यादा लॉन्ग लास्टिंग रहने वाला है, एंड देर इज़ अ तरीका जिससे यू कैन जस्ट मेक श्योर दैट यू आर ऑन ट्रैक विद दिस थिंग. क्योंकि रेजोल्यूशन वो विद द टाइम पासिंग या विद द मंथ्स पासिंग ना इट फेड्स अवे, एंड वी ऑल हैव सीन दैट. वी ऑल नो दैट 2020 was an entirely exceptional year, and I don't want to curse this year in any way because it had its own kind of lessons and learnings, and we all agree that nobody thought कि क्या होने वाला है इस साल में, बट जो भी चीज़ें हुई वी ऑल गॉट थ्रू दिस. सो फॉर दैट pat on your back. We all got through this year, which is an achievement in itself. So next question, write down one thing that you did for the first time. There were quite a few firsts for me in this year. But most of them were revolving around family. So that would be ki I have actually bonded with my dadi over the past few months. I was like two different individuals in 2 days when this change of heart and all this happened. I'm just getting emotional talking about it. So maybe if in the future I'll talk about it when I think I'll be ready. I don't know if you guys know because मैं इतना explicitly ये चीज़ नहीं बोलती हूँ, but I do practice gratitude journal and I do write gratitude. Like I used to do this very often and regularly, but अब वो थोड़ा कम हो गया. But I have found different ways of being grateful. लाइक बहुत छोटी छोटी चीज़ें, लाइक व्हेन आई एम वॉशिंग द वेजिटेबल्स, जो भी मैं ऑनलाइन ऑर्डर करती हूँ या जो पापा कभी बाहर से लेके आते हैं. सो मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम मैं या पापा कर रहे होते हैं ये चीज़, बिकॉज वी हैव डिवाइडेड ये घर के काम. तो वी ऑल हैव डन दैट थ्रू दिस लॉकडाउन पीरियड. तो दिस इज़ लाइक वन टास्क दैट आई डू कि हाँ ठीक है मैं कर देती हूँ. तो मोस्टली हम गीज़र ऑन कर लेते हैं, थोड़ा पानी नॉर्मल हो जाता है, ठंडा नहीं होता, तो आराम से सब्जियां वगैरह वॉश हो जाती है. तो दैट इज़ लाइक लग्जरी. यू कैन टर्न ऑन द गीज़र. लाइक मेरे को याद है पुराने घर में भी हमारे पास होता ही नहीं था गीज़र. आई डोंट नो बिकॉज उस टाइम मैं बहुत छोटी थी, तो मेरे दिमाग में दिस वॉज नॉट अ कॉन्सेप्ट कि किचन में गीज़र होता है. तो वो चीज़ सोच के लगता है वी इवन हैव हॉट वाटर टू जस्ट वॉश द वेजिटेबल्स एंड फ्रूट्स. तो लाइक ग्रैटिट्यूड कम्स डाउन टू वेरी स्मॉल बेसिक थिंग्स, और वो दिल से निकलना चाहिए, और वो स्टार्टिंग में नहीं निकलता. सो आई वुड जस्ट suggest you that just start writing things you are grateful for. Start with 5 things, because I remember in my lycée back when I was working in Toulon, south of France, as a language assistant. I gave this practice to almost every class that I got, and I know सब बच्चों ने अगर दिल से नहीं भी करी हुई, आई एम डैम श्योर बहुत बच्चे थे उन पे मुझे विजिबली डिफरेंस दिखता था. तो this works. This actually works. If you want to know like more details about it, I would love to do that, because I really want all of us to be very mindful of the life we are living. इसको हल्के में नहीं लेना है, क्योंकि we all have seen how many lives have been affected this year, and we have gone through stuff that we never thought we will, and we have. That is why I'm saying we have, we are through with this year, so that is a big thing. And I have no idea कितनी लंबी ये वीडियो होने वाली है, but I'll just come back to the question that I was about to give you, that write a few things, like 8 to 10 things that you are grateful for, reflecting the whole past year, like 2020 को सोचते हुए just write 8 to 10 things that you are grateful for. So after all these questions, if you have answered and if you are writing all these things, you will know कि कितना honestly you are writing the answers, and you will not be able to झूठ नहीं बोल सकोगे अपने आप से, बिकॉज तुम एक बारी को किसी और के सामने फिर भी एक दूसरा फेस दिखा लो या एक अलग तरीके से आंसर दे लो, बट अपने आगे नहीं होता. तो दैट इज़ वाई आई एम सेइंग डू दिस एक्सरसाइज ऑन पेपर. इट डज वंडर्स, ऑल्दो आई एम लाइक इन द मिडल ऑफ इट, एंड आई एम ऑलरेडी फीलिंग कि ये मतलब दूध का दूध और पानी का पानी होने वाली एक्सरसाइज है, एंड इट विल डेफिनेटली गिव यू अ मोर क्लियर पर्सपेक्टिव. सो दैट इज़ द रिव्यू पार्ट ऑफ दिस वीडियो. Now I will come to the planning part of the video, which is planning for the next year. And it is not something that you think कि हाँ क्या प्लान करना है इस महीने में, ये करना है. It's not that कि हाँ मुझे ये करना है, because after 2020 nobody is really expecting like huge things from 2021. We all want a basic and अच्छे से happy life. We all want that. I am just trying to add some more mindfulness. So this is something I have heard a lot. बहुत ज़्यादा इधर उधर pep talks और TED talks, इन सबसे बहुत बारी ये चीज़ें सुनी है, but I have never actually done like बैठ के इसके बारे में मैंने नहीं सोचा है. And that is, imagine yourself 1 year from now, and don't just imagine. I'll tell you how to go about this, because इसके बारे में मैंने भी बहुत सारी वीडियोस देखी हैं, ब्लॉग्स पढ़े हैं, बहुत सारी चीज़ें करने के बाद I have come down to like all these few things that I'm sharing in this video. So for that, what you can do is imagine yourself and write a letter to your past self, like you have already done that. I'm not actually going to give you like examples for everything, because I don't want to dilute the actual and real answer of you. Like imagine yourself in December 2021, how you want to feel about yourself, professionally, personally, career wise, love relations, family relations, friend relations, जो भी छोटी छोटी चीज़ें, just imagine yourself and just write that thing in past. So just think of that and write it in the past tense. And see, I used to imagine this, I used to do this practice, and I never thought that कि मैं उसमें गलती कर रही हूँ. और ये चीज़ सीखने के बाद, like, I have to think of all that in the past. This thing actually gives your brain a signal that it has already happened, and you start to behave and think in the same manner. I used to do like 10-20% of what I'm sharing now with you, but I never had a exact roadway कि ये चीज़ें कैसे करनी है, how to go about all these things. So I think now I found it. Now I found the right way कि अच्छा, this is how this works. Like, this is how you become more mindful of your own self and the environment. So that is what I'm going to do, and I'm just exactly sharing all that with you totally raw. Then for the next year, I would say, like, have a theme in your head. It can be one word or 2 words theme. Just have a theme. Like, for me, if I give you the theme of this year, it was family and patience. So मेरे लिए 2 थीम थी. So in 2021, what you want the theme of your year to be? It can be anything. Like, you can just think of that theme and just remind yourself every now and then of the particular theme that you decide for the coming year. Remind yourself, if not every day. ऐसे questions और ये सब चीज़ें आपको रोज नहीं सोचनी. You just have to be mindful and be intentional of the word of or the theme that you have in your head ki acha, this was my theme for 2021, so I'm going to stick around this theme. It can be anything for anyone. I am not going to give you more examples because I fear कि उससे कुछ फर्क पड़ जाता है आंसर देने में. By January, these are the 4 things I want to do. I want to finish. ऐसी कोई चीज़ है, like if you say कि I want to learn kickboxing in a month, which is like okay, doable, but if you give it more time, you will be better at it. So just set realistic goals for every month. I know ये बहुत बारी मैंने भी सुना है कि हाँ every month के हिसाब से करो, but I really have a few things in my head, and I'm sure I'm going to vlog that in the coming year because that is how we do it. Like, कुछ होता है ऐसा तो we vlog. So I'm pretty sure you all will see that. And honestly, this particular month, like this moment right now, it's like a transition in my head, in my life. I cannot share the details right now, but a lot has been happening, and in a good way. So I will share all that very soon, but for now I think this is what we all can do, and it will definitely reflect upon the year which is going to come, which is 2021. I am so grateful ki this year is like now over and we can look forward to 2021. I know I don't have like great expectations out of 2021. I just want to have a basic, light-hearted, peaceful and a happy life like we all do. These questions that I just shared, answer them honestly. मैं भी करूँगी, and I will share some of the questions or some of the exercises that I'll be doing on Instagram. If you don't follow me there, you're missing out on something good. This is my Instagram handle. Go follow me, and I'll come up with the Rewind 2020 video very soon, probably in the first week of January. So that is me signing off, since this is the last video of December 2020, and I'll see you next year. I know this is like the lamest joke ever. I'll see you in 2021 with warm and happy and even positive and hustling and dreaming vibes, and I'll see you next time. Till then, you know what to do. Dream, hustle and explore, and do this exercise and let me know कि ये कर भी रहे हो कि नहीं, because I don't know if I have shared anything like this in the past, and I genuinely do all these things. So I was like, why not? This is like the perfect time. So that is what I did. Let me know if you like this video. If you did, color the thumbs up, leave a comment down below. I would love to read what you think about this video. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button, and I'll see you next time. Also share this video with your friends and family, because you never know किसका मन कब कर जाए कि हाँ ठीक है, किसी किसी को सिर्फ एक pathway चाहिए होता है how to go about a certain thing. So share this video with your friends and family, and I'll see you next time. Till then, you know what to do: dream, hustle, and explore. Bye bye. In the next 3 days, this year is going to be like gone for good. Happy New Year, amigos.